Hello learners, are you preparing for a data science or machine learning engineer or data engineer or Python developer? If you are preparing for any of these interviews, this video is just for you. Actually, Pandas is a must-know library for data engineers, data scientists, Python developer and all. And interviewers often ask practical coding questions to test your skills. So, in this video, we will take the real world Pandas interview questions for experienced professional along with tips to optimize your solutions. So, before we start, make sure you have Pandas installed. Actually, it's very easy. You can install it using pip install Pandas and then you can import the Panda and you can start working it. So, let's see. So here I will take a simple data. Generally in the interview they will also give you a very simple data and they'll ask questions upon that. So here I have taken a sample data which contain name, department and salary for an employee. So let's see our data set. Actually I have taken the data in a dictionary format and then I'm converting the data into data frame, pandas data frame. So it's very easy. We'll take the panda pd.data frame and we'll keep the data inside and it will get converted to data frame. Now let's see how our data frame looks. So it has converted the sample data set, the dictionary format to data frame, and it is containing 3 columns: name, department and salary. So let's see questions. Here I have first question as filter rows based on multiple conditions. So let's filter employees with salary greater than 70k and it should be from the IT department. So as you can see in our department column we have actually two IT and HR and marketing. So what we want only data whose salary is greater than 70,000 and they should be working in IT. So as you can see from the data set, I want this IT and the salary should be greater than 70,000. So how we can filter out that condition using the pandas. So here I will be taking a variable. I have named it as filtered and then what I want, first I'll take the data frame df and then we will keep our condition. So what is the first condition? The salary should be greater than 70k. So I have kept the df and column name. What I want, salary. So I will keep df salary and it should be greater than 70,000. And there is one more condition. They should be from IT department. So what we'll be doing? We will keeping the and condition. And what we want? Again, the department column I want and it should be equal to IT. So I have kept the both column and we are keeping in a data frame df and then we are keeping it in a variable filter. Now we will print that variable filter. Let's see what we are getting. We should be getting two columns. So yes, we are getting two columns, IT and see salary is also showing 70,000, 80,000. So like in multiple companies, what they ask, they'll give you condition and they'll ask like if I have this data, how many columns you will be getting. So like this tricky question they'll ask you. So in mind you have to say okay, fine, this is how it should work. And sometimes they give you more condition to filter it out. So like that they ask you. Let's see next question, group by and aggregate. So suppose if they ask you to group the data by department or if they want group the data by different column, so they can ask you like that. And there is one more condition, calculate the average salary for them. So let's see how we can do. So first we will group by and then we will apply the mean over it. Means like is nothing but average. So I will be taking a variable and then we will apply the group by over data frame. And what I want, group by over department column. So we are keeping that department and then after what we want to apply average of what? Average salary we want. So we will apply the mean over where? salary, and then we are keeping the reset index simply to set the index in ascending order. Then we'll like we will print the variable average salary. So let's see. So average salary for HR department, it is 45k, and for IT department 77, and for marketing it is 60,000. So this is how it has shown. It grouped the first by department, and then it gave the average salary. Now let's see, next question we have handling missing values. So it's very important. So let's fill missing salaries with average salary. So generally, when we have missing values, it's very common to fill that missing values with average. So let's see. Actually, in our data set, there are no missing values till now. Let me show you. So let me show you the data set right now. The data set DF we have right now, we don't have any missing values. So see, there's no null or none, nothing. So what we will do, just to understand, we will add the missing value. So what we are doing, we are keeping the index 2, and in the salary column, at the second this row, we are keeping none, and then let's see, print it. So yes, see, in salary, see, I have kept, this is 0th index, this is first index, this is the second index. So I have kept second index as none. So it is showing none. Now what we will be doing, we will fill it by mean, means average. So what I will be doing, I will be keeping salary, and then df salary dot fill any. This is how we will fill. So this is the method fill any. So using that, we will be filling the missing value. So what we will be doing, we will keeping the salary column, and then we will applying the mean over it, and using that we will be filling. What we will be filling? Salary. So df is equal to df dot, here this is the explicitly, right now, without this line, if you will run, it will show you some warning. So in Pandas 3.0 plus actually, so that's why I have kept this line, because otherwise it will give you some warning. Now let's print it. So yes, see, in the second row, previously it was a null value, but now it doesn't have any null value. It is showing the it has taken the mean average of all the salary, and then it has kept it. Let's see the next question. So in the next question, we will be applying functions on columns. So suppose you want to increase the salary by 10% for all employees. So these kinds of question, is very popular in interviews. So here we will be applying lambda function. So actually lambda function is when is an anonymous function, when you don't want to keep a full with name and all. So in a one liner, generally in Python we use it a lot, like lambda, filter and all. So within a line, you don't need to write the function from uh, beforehand. You can just write without name, just keep that whatever you want, and you need to you don't need any other thing. So here what I want, increase the salary by 10%. So I will be writing a function to increasing the salary by 10%. How? I will be keeping one variable, and then we'll uh, multiplying it into 1.1, and then we will be applying over the salary column. So we will be applying this function over salary column, and we'll saving it into salary column, and then we'll be printing it. So let's see. Yes, so it got applied. Now everyone's salary got increased by 10%. Now let's see the next question we have, which is merge two data frames. So suppose let's combine employee data with their performance score. Actually we don't have any column with performance, so we are taking another data frame, performance sample data frame, and we are keeping name and score. So there are two columns, uh, name and score. And what I want to add the data frame. Okay, so previously we had one data frame df, and now I have created another data frame performance. So what I will be doing, I will be merging these two data frames. So using the pd.merge method or function, we can efficiently combine data frames to like on common keys. So what I want, there are actually in the data frame we have three columns: name, department, and salary. And in performance we have two columns: name and score. So as we can see, we have only one uh, common keys, that is name. So we will be combining, we will be merging this two data frame on the name column. And there is one more parameter that you need to fill. So it is showing how. So it is given left. So by generally in SQL we have joined, right? So like that this is. So you have to put left or right, whatever you want. So let's see. So pd.merge, and like when you keep it, it will show you what is left, what is right, how on, left on, right on, everything. You can like these all the parameters of this merge function you can give. So I am keeping what, there are two data frames df and performance that I'll be keeping. After that you need to keep one column name, column key. So I have kept name, and then how left I want. So see, it is showing the name, and then it has given the score. It has merged. So as we have three score, we don't have fourth score. We didn't give, so it is showing none. Okay, so now let's see the next one. So for David, as in the performance data frame, we didn't have the David name and we didn't have a score. So it is showing for David, it is showing none. But the name, it is David, showing. Why? Because the David name is present in first df data frame. Okay, so now let's see, let's go to the next question, that is remove duplicates row. So let's drop duplicates based on the department column. So for that, dropping duplicates, we have dot drop duplicate function you can use, and whatever parameter it is you want, you can give that. So use dot drop duplicates to remove redundant rows, like quickly you can drop that. So let's see, it has dropped duplicates. So as you have like department in the IT, we have two person from IT, so they have given only one IT. So they have removed another one, Charlie. Okay, let's see. Let's get to the next question, that is sort the data frame by salary in descending order. So it's very easy. We can use the sort values function. Uh, and then whatever you want, I want salary and it should be in descending order. So I will keep ascending as false. Well, you can keep descending is equal to true or ascending is equal to false. So we will apply the sort values function over on the salary column, and we'll keep the condition. So let's see, I want in descending order. So yes, the highest is the first one and the lowest is the last. Now get to the eighth question. So create a pivot table to analyze data by department. So we will be using pivot table function over df data frame. And then what I want it to analyze data by department. So suppose I have kept values as salary, index as department, and aggregation function as mean. So this is important here. You have to put the aggregate function also. So let's see. Yes, it has it grouped it by department, and it is showing the salary, and it is taken the aggregation function as mean, the average it is shown. So let's see the next one. Count unique values in department column. Okay, so we will be using n unique to count the distinct values quickly. This question is also asked very popular in interviews. They will ask you, distinct key, unique key, like that, in SQL or in Pandas, in a Spark, like that. So they want a distinct value. So simply in Pandas we have dot n unique. So this, suppose I want a department column, so I will be taking df department, and then we will be applying very simple and unique function over there, and we will be printing it. So it will give the, see, there are three, because there are three column, that is like HR, IT and marketing in the department, which are unique. Okay, so now let's get to the last question, that is export the data frame to a CSV file. This question is also very important. So not only CSV file, they can ask you to save in multiple files. So it's very simple. You can take the data set, and there is 2 underscore CV CSV. It will save your data set data frame into the CSV files. So let's and the file name you need to give. So here I have given the employees.csv. So yes, it will save the this data frame to the CSV file. So let's see, learn this. Okay, so now let me show you. I have run this, and now you will be getting okay. So see here, you can see that employees.csv got saved here. So this is how you can save the file or data frame to CSV files. So that's it for the top 10 Pandas interview questions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for more data science tutorials, you can turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.